Hey and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you in this video how to make money online with $1 investment. So before we get into the video, don't forget to smash and hit the subscribe button and comment below I subscribed, because I will go ahead and reply to you. Oh, and before we get into the video, just want to share that one of our subscribers, Mario's, this guy right here that comments on most of my videos, which is pretty cool, thank you so much. He actually has a review on the internet about Builderall, and take a look. A review talking about Builderall, about comparing online tools. He also talks about my course here, a little bit about my course, and comparing ClickFunnels, Catra to Builderall, so you can have a better idea if you want to jump on to Builderall. I will leave a link below on the comments section with the link for this review so you can take a look. And with that said, let's get into the video. So how do you make money online? First of all, let me clarify you something. To make money online, especially for beginners, it's a hard task. Because most gurus and people out there, they just give you loads of stuff for you to do, and you feel overwhelmed, you don't know what to do. And to be honest, most funnels, most ways to make money online, they just overwhelm people, and they just get off of the page, or they just don't take action, they just don't do anything. So it's really hard. And also when starting to make money online from scratch, it can be really hard, because the thing is trying too many things at the same time, and trying to be all over the place and just not knowing what to do. So it is hard to go ahead and start making money online from scratch. I myself, in the beginning, I was doing the same mistake over and over and over for 6 months. I was just spamming people all over the place. I wasn't doing it right. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right guidance to go ahead and do it the correct way. That's when I stepped on this mentor, where he gave me the step-by-step process to do it in a very simple way to understand. And so what I want to offer you today is exactly that. With $1 of your investment, I want to share with you what this is. This is a product that I've created myself a couple of days ago, actually 4 days ago, called the $1 challenge to making affiliate commissions in 30 days. Now, this funnel is very different from most gurus out there that gave you funnels and just give you loads of stuff and you get lost. The reason this funnel works really well is because it is short videos, and so this page leads them to another page, into another, and it's very well done in a way that people can really understand the process. So the conversion rate of this funnel is really high because it's so simple to understand, because nowadays the attention span of a person is very low. Most people online just explain in a big format about an opportunity online or way to make money, and it just gets overwhelmed, and they don't do nothing because it's so too much information. They just click off. As in with this $1 challenge, what it is for $1, within 30 days, I'm giving you training. So what I'm giving you is I'm giving you 3 products to promote, and you can choose which one to go about it. And each of these products make not only commissions, but recurring commissions every month. And I've made thousands of dollars promoting these products that I will be giving for you to promote. And with that $1 of your investment, you also get access to a tool which I will give you, the done for you funnel, so you can go ahead, just with a few clicks, set it all up and have that funnel ready to send traffic in and make money doing it. Now, with this training, I made it so simple to understand, so you will not feel overwhelmed, even if you are a complete beginner. I did it in a way that is step-by-step focused, and I don't put loads of methods there. I actually just share with you 3 high-quality traffic methods that you can go about it and then send traffic to these done for you high converting funnels that does the selling for you. And I want to invite you to come to this funnel and see for yourself how easy it is for people to follow this. And it's a no-brainer. I mean, with $1, I'm giving you just everything you need to in order to go ahead, go out there, implement what I teach, and then make commissions. And my goal with this is to help actually people make commissions within 30 days, but also keep going long term and keep making money along the way. This funnel right here, it's so simple to follow. Watch. So people opt in, they put their name and email right here. Then once they click secure your spot, they are redirected automatically to this second page where they're going to join here. The step number 1, they're going to join the community group where it's everybody that's doing this $1 challenge. That everybody joins this, right? When they click go to next step over here, they land on this page right here, where right here they have step number 1, which is step number 1, it's to register and to pay the $1. That will give them access to the step number 2, which is access to the product and done for you sales funnels that does the selling for you. So the 3 funnels that I'm talking to you about. Also have access to step number 3, which is the free traffic sources, which will explode your earnings. And also they have the bonus training, which is all my training that I have for my team, which is valued at more than 2K. So they get all of this and they're ready to promote. They have 3 funnels over here to go ahead and promote, and any of these funnels really convert really well. And also the strategies and the done for you funnel that I have in there, the conversion rate is very high because we're not sending people straight to an offer. We have different ways to go about it, but we have a value series where we bring people in to a page and they have to go through a sequence of pages and they see your offer multiple times. We're also following up with them, and you get everything that I mentioned here within this. So when you join with $1, you're getting everything, literally everything that I'm telling you here. You're getting the done for you sales funnels. You're getting the software where you can host the funnels and everything for $1. You'll get access for 30 days. So within 30 days, you can have everything, the funnels ready to go, the traffic, just everything you need to be able to make commissions within your first 30 days. And then the idea is that you keep going long term and you keep making money forever. So this is a great solution if you want to start making money online. It is amazing. I really like what I've put here together. And actually, you see when people click here, testimonials, they'll come here because here, I'm the creator of this. I've helped many people worldwide make money online. And as you can see, some testimonials here of people that have actually helped make money online. And this is just a few testimonials because I've helped way more people than this, but just so people know that this is legit, this is actually works. This is by far the best funnel that I've did so far that converts the most. And I've did quite some funnels. I've done a lot of funnels actually that I've put out to the public, and some of them convert more than the others, but never seen anything convert like this. So you're into something that really works really well, easy to follow, easy to implement. Anybody can do it for complete beginners, and that's what I have for you. So imagine finally making your first commission online, which is the hardest part, is make your first one commission online. That's the hardest part. Trust me, when you make your first commission online as an affiliate, everything will change for you like it did for me. I went from 0 to making 4K per month in 6 months of time by jumping exactly on a training exactly like the one that I'm giving you today. Exactly very similar to the training that I jumped on. The things that got me to making from 0 to 4K per month doing affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm giving you today. So imagine what your life could be like after making your first commission, then your second, then your third, fourth, fifth, and you just keep going that way and it never stops. So that's my goal for you. If you are interested to go ahead and join the $1 challenge and make it happen, I'll be here to support you along the way. The link will be below on the description below. I will also leave on the pin post below on this video. So yeah, let's make it happen. And also I've put it on my YouTube channel, you know, on the top, on the right, I have it there if you want to go and from there. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you did not, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video that needs to make their first commission online, please share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And right here on top, I will leave a link for a video that I did also on this channel, as you can see, because this is what's going on right now. People are really enjoying this. I'm so happy with this. So yeah, we'll leave a video up here. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here and watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because my goal is to help you become the best version that you can, so you can go out there and make it happen in this world. Thank you so much. Have a blessing day, and always believe in yourself. Cheers. See you next time.